Let's connect to Allah. Let's feel the presence of Allah. Look at yourself and tell yourself, I am a clean and pure soul. My every thought is positive and right. I am powerful. My every word is pure. My thoughts, words, and actions are filled with respect and blessings. All my habits and deeds are service-oriented and elevated. I do everything in the remembrance of Allah, the Divine. My soul is the instrument of Allah. Allah uses me for everything. He uses me in every beautiful way possible. He uses me to get elevated. He uses me to help His mankind. I am an instrument. I am His instrument. I am an instrument to spread positivity on this planet Earth. My every thought, word, and deed is based on the knowledge, teachings given by Allah. My soul is fulfilled, contented. I am a contented soul. I need nothing from anyone. I need nothing from anyone. Allah's love and powers are always with me. I am surrounded by Allah's presence. Allah's hand and company are always with me. I am a giver. I need nothing from anyone. I am a giver. I serve others. I serve people. I am Allah's angel. He uses me to give happiness, power, love, and ease to everyone around me. I remain stable in criticism or praise, in victory or defeat. I am the follower of the leaders of Jannah. I am always stable. I am independent soul. I, the soul, I am the master. I am powerful. I am a giver. I am a peaceful soul. I feel the presence of Allah all around me. I am surrounded by Allah's presence. I take the energy from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and spread it in the whole world to all the people around me. Thank you.